On the issue of abductions, we are, of course, seized of the matter. We have been making follow-ups. We have been on it. We have been investigating. On the recent cases, the position of the authorities is that we have an ongoing investigation, which at this point we can't be able to say the police are involved or the police are not involved. The investigations are ongoing. As you are aware, this is a matter which is also being canvassed in court, and we have already clearly went even to court and presented the preliminary findings from our investigations. So that is the point we want to clarify, that is a matter which is ongoing, is work in progress in terms of investigation, and we'll be able to give a conclusive position upon finalization of those investigations.
Of course, there's concern about the public's confidence in the IPOA. But when you look at those abductions, and actually we came into office at a time when there was a lot of, in December, and even before that, a lot of abductions and concern in Kenya about these enforced disappearances. But the IG came out and said, you know, they are not our officers. And you see, IPOA is is works on an act of parliament, and we investigate misconduct by police officers. And now when you have got people who are in hoods with fake number plates, who are abducting people, and then they take them not to a police station, but to a different place. I think these are issues that even the police must investigate. But so far, we as IPOA, we saw the reports in the media. We sent our staff to Embu, to where was it? Nairobi and Embu, yeah, and Nakuru, yes, where there were reported abductions. And when they came back here, they said we have a report that the police were not involved. So we will wait for the IG to give a full report on that. IPOA is 10 years old. It has got an approved staff establishment of 1,300. It's supposed to oversight a police force which was established 135 years ago. It is 120,000 police force spread across the whole country. So you can imagine, if you can, the scope of work. And despite the staff approved establishment, we have 284 staff. 284 staff. Out of these, 77 are investigators. And that's where the core of the work is, you know, investigating. And we want investigating staff of 600, yes. And we have 77. So again, you see the challenge of the ones that we have are already overworked. There's burnout. And so we are going to go back to Parliament, meet with the Committee on Administration of Justice and National Security, and get them to give us more funding to allow us to, in the last budget, they wanted to employ 23 staff, 23 additional staff, and in the last budget it was cut off, they were denied. Yet the police may recruit now 10,000 more. So you please try and put those numbers against each other and see for yourself. I want to actually say that the staff that we have are very professional and very competent, but they have worked, and we need to give them more support. It's called the blue code of silence. I mean, it happens, police officers, when you're investigating anything against them, and you require evidence from other police officers, there's always that factor of them trying to protect themselves. Of course, they all want to be serving a professional police force, and they don't want to have the bad apples, you know, spoiling their name. But it is there. It's a factor in investigations. IPOA has seen that, and we have told the IG when we met with him about this lack of cooperations. Sometimes when our staff go to the regional offices, The OCPDs, the OC, some of them don't give the required documentation required. They say go right to the IG to get a simple, for example, duty roster of the police station. So we have told the IG about this. I think it's a matter which we're going to take up with him. But yeah, it is there.
Sasa mnasema namna gani huko nyuma?
My name is.
I just smell good.
I would like us to do a quick round of introduction, just the name and the media house before we begin. And I'll start then.
Antonio Mediti Media Max Mirofe.
Now, can we get all of
No,
them?
let's finish.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.